Can you do laundry without a detergent? Now you can. This product coming from Japan will revolutionize the way you do your laundry. It's called Terra Wash. But what is it? It's a small pack of purified magnesium. Thanks to an innovative technology, when magnesium comes into contact with water, it releases hydrogen bubbles and forms ionized alkaline water. What does it mean? This is the dirt, and this is what happens to the dirt thanks to Terra Wash. In addition, Terra Wash is 10 times more effective in removing smell compared to conventional detergents. And what's more, it cleans and sanitizes the washing machine, removing mold, germs, and bacteria. It's good both for you and nature because it's eco-friendly and it doesn't leave any chemical compounds in the environment. Terra Wash is cost-effective. It will last a whole year. It will also help you to save money on the utility bill since you can reduce rinsing cycles. Great news for babies and people with sensitive skin. Terra Wash is hypoallergenic. It doesn't contain any perfumes, enzymes, or optical brighteners. It's super easy to use. Just put Terra Wash into the washing machine along with laundry and set the desired washing program. What are you waiting for? Try it! Terra Wash, the laundry revolution.